Definition: amount of charge flowing per unit time. So per unit means the time would come in the denominator and charge would come in the numerator. This you must always remember. Per unit time. Per means you have to divide with the time. Other definition is the rate of flow of electric charges across conductor of any cross-sectional area. So what is this? Again, whenever you compare anything with the time, like you say distance covered per unit time. So what is that called? That is called as speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, speed is equal to distance upon time. So then you say that rate of distance covered. So but we don't define it like this. So here we would define it rate of flow of electric charge. So what is this rate? This rate signifies that we are comparing the amount of charge with respect to time. So rate of flow of electric charges across conductor of any cross-sectional area is called as electric current. Now after this there comes one definition which is very important. Definition is define 1 ampere, or the question can come as define SI unit of current. So what is this? Can you understand what is this? The rate of flow of electric charges across conductor of any cross-sectional area is called as electric current. Define 1 ampere or define SI unit of current. What did I say? That current SI unit is ampere. So this is very important question that is asked. Define SI unit of current. So you would say that I have I is equal to Q by T. Now if I put, how would I get 1 ampere here? SI unit is ampere, so we would have a unit ampere only. We won't say 2 ampere, 3 ampere. It is unit ampere, so that would become the SI unit. So 1 ampere, how would I get 1 ampere? It would be 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Okay, how can I get 1 ampere here? If I have 1 coulomb and I have 1 second. So how would you define? If 1 coulomb of charge flows across, or not across, you can say flows through a conductor for 1 second, then the current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. So now after this class you must remember the SI units. You must be able to define electric current, types of charges, and you must be able to define the SI unit of electric current. Now we come to the another formula. We just studied that conventional direction of flow of current was considered to be the flow of positive charges. So conventional direction is flow of positive charges. However, when electrons were discovered, then it was found that electrons travel opposite to the travel in opposite direction to the direction of as compared to the direction of electric current. Direction of positive charges. Okay, now this is important point to be noted, that direction of positive charges and direction of flow of electrons is opposite. Now the question comes, what is quantification of charge? This is the question. What is the quantification of charge? Now, quantification itself signifies that amount of charge. So, how would you calculate the amount of charge that is flowing through the conductor? So, the formula is, now we know that electrons are the reasons for the flow of electric current. So, quantification means you have to write Q is equal to NE. Now this is the quantification of charge, means what is the quantity or what is the amount of charge that is flowing, where N denotes the number of electrons flowing through the conductor, and E is the amount of charge on one electron, in one electron, amount of charge in one electron. So can you define what is this? Can you give the significance of this formula, that if N is the number of electrons and E is the charge on electron, so when you multiply number with the charge, you would get the net amount of charge flowing through the conductor. Okay, so this gives you the total charge flowing through the conductor. Now we have I is equal to Q by T. Now if Q is the total amount of charge, I can also write it as, what is total amount of charge? This is Q is equal to NE. So this becomes NE by T. Because what is the total charge? We are calculating it as number and the amount of charge. So another formula of electric current is I is equal to Q by T, or I is equal to NE by T. Now here you must remember that charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. C is the unit of coulomb. So charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So with this, I think we are done with the the instrument which measures electric current is called as ammeter. At this point of time, you just remember this. In further classes, we will understand what is ammeter, etc. So instrument which measures electric current is called as ammeter, and it is connected in series with in an electric circuit. So in the next class, we would solve numericals based on this formula, and we will further study what is potential difference and how we need to get electric current flowing through the circuit. So I think we should wrap up the class at this point. Have a nice day. Take care.